Hello dear students, I am Dr. Deepak Dixit and today in this video we are going to learn about very important phrase of spoken English, that is anymore. I found that many people don't use this phrase because they don't know exactly where to use it, and today in this video we will get mastery on this phrase. First, let me tell you very important point about this phrase, like anymore. These two words are joined together, any word, anymore, used at the end of the negative sentences. This word is used at the end of the negative sentences. It is used at the end of questions. We can use this word, this phrase at only two places, that is at the end of the sentence. That sentence should be negative, and end of the questions. Only two positions we have come to know about anymore. Next, what is the meaning of anymore? Anymore, this is different word, any and more, and this is different word, anymore. There are four different meanings you can see on the whiteboard, like to any further extent. The meaning of anymore is to any further extent. Second meaning is any longer. Third meaning is for the time being, and the fourth meaning is these days. So anymore can be used for different purpose like this, and I have written certain examples here. The first example, I don't eat ice cream anymore. What is the meaning of this? I don't eat ice cream anymore means now for the time being I have stopped using eating ice cream. Okay, इसका मतलब है I don't eat ice cream any longer. So people are limited to this sentence only. I don't eat ice cream. They never try this word anymore. But you can, from this video, after this video, you can start using the word anymore. Next is, why doesn't mother bake cake any more? Question. That is like question mark. Here also this is question. So question mark. Why doesn't mother bake cake anymore? Anymore, to any further extent, any longer. Question पूछा है और at the end only, which I have written here. The next practice example is, why doesn't she speak to me? Speak to me. Why doesn't she speak to me anymore? These days, any longer. Example A meanings आप ले सकते हैं. Next example is, I don't work in Infosys anymore. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप इंफोसिस में काम करते थे, अब नहीं कर रहे हो, उस वक्त एग्जाम्पल आप यूज कर सकते हो, आई डोंट वर्क इन इंफोसिस एनीमोर. Got it? I hope after this video you will start to use the word anymore, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.